G'day guys and welcome to today's MY session market update video. Hit the like button, don't forget guys, before I get underway, let me know how you went in the comment section down below during today's London session. Took some nice sells on gold which resulted in a zero drawdown in a nice win, secured positions at 10 and 15 pips, ended up dropping a little bit more but came back to entry not long after. So nice win on gold, zero drawdown. We also called a nice sell on GU. Just here, which also would have had zero drawdown based off the 15-minute golfing candle. Similar sort of entry to gold, a little bit greater, better for confirmation on this GU sell low. That also made the move without any drawdown. So good stream. Definitely recommend having a watch back if you have not done so just yet. Now moving forward anyway, nonetheless, moving forward, looking at GJ, as I mentioned during the stream and at the end of the stream, I want to touch it with bar or slope today. I'll be staying well clear of it. These candles are berserk. They have massive volume. So just this small candle itself has 60 pips. So what that suggests, what that's saying to me is it's a little bit all over the shop. It is the yen holiday. There is talk about intervention from the Bank of Japan due to the weakness in the yen. I think it's all having a bit of an effect on the yen right now. Spreads are probably a little bit wider as well. The main thing is the stop loss is going to be huge, so I would not be touching this. I'm not going to do the analysis on it. Apologies. Gold. All right, so gold now, so it's create the upper wick on the weekly and the daily. I do mention if we close above, start closing above, tap in, form a support, then we'll likely head up. Now we've rejected though that 23.40, so that was the next level I mentioned on stream. See how we react to it. Right now we're trying to form a support at it. So trying to form support above previous resistance. What if now we begin to pop below that support, back below the previous resistance at 23.3620, I would still look for the sell option below that level there. 15 minute, so we're just consolidating in 15 minutes. So I think right now on gold, I'd be waiting for the closure below that 23.3620 and look for my potential sell options. Now as for the buys, little bit choppy to the left, so best buys are really to look for it back at support if it does pull back to support formed around this 23.30 psychological round number. Price does pull back to that level, I'd just be looking for my catalyst and price action to potentially buy it back up. Now further buys, in my opinion, it's choppy to the left. I'd probably rather create a clean move to cut through some of this mess, pull back, form a support, maybe above at 23.41, and then I'd probably start trusting the buys. But at the current level, I'd like to see how price reacts, and if we drop below 23.3620, could be some sell options. GU, so GU's dropped below another support just now. It's tapping into a support here to the left. Really nice move on stream. What I'd like to see with GU now is if it does, similar to gold, if it does just form a bit of support just here, and starts to pop below that support and drop below that 125.07, then we're likely going to head back down. So I'd be looking for sells below that point there, but I wanted to consolidate a bit before looking for that sell upon continuation. As for the buys, well, the M30 it's now flipped back bearish. Probably get rid of this zone. Look, if it starts to, similar to gold, if it starts to pop above, so it consolidates for a bit, starts to pop above, it's a little bit better than gold in that respect, because if it starts to pop above the consolidation, it may form between that 125.20, 125.7, and we start popping above it like so. I'd be looking for my buy still at the same level as per the analysis on stream, above that 125, 1.25, 220 roughly. Now, finally onto NAS. So as per the stream, we're at a 4-hour resistance, higher time frame resistance. We've formed support at that resistance. We are to continue to the upside. We should respect support and head up, create a higher high. However, right now we've broken a support. We're starting to create some lower lows. So we're at a support here to the left though. I would say if price starts to close below 17768.2 roughly, I will look for a sell at that point there to take it back down. In anticipation, we might make a deeper pullback within the current they will come back to retest the current daily candle low, potentially flip it to bearish, maybe create a bit more of a lower wick for the weekly. But I'll be looking for sells below that 17768.2 right now. probably get rid of these zones. And I'd also consider the buys if it rejects and starts to bounce off, as long as I get the right confirmation and price action above 17775.15. I would consider the buy, as long as you got the margin as well. It makes the clear move down now, pull back up, the buys. Look for obviously singles in price action, and if price just melts and drops, I'm looking to the left to see where we could potentially pull up at. We've got a level here at 17.7. I'd just look for above 17.750, basically psychological round number, for catalyst to form in price action to buy above there, and also below. If price does pull back to 17,721.75 and we do form a support above that level, that could be buys. Buys above the high point continuation, you're buying into resistance. That's the tricky one. So if that's to be the case, I'd really like to for it to pull up, create a nice kind of move, pull back down, similar to what I mentioned on gold before. Form support above the previous resistance, and then I would trust the buys. So that's it, guys. Just a quick one today. Once again, do hit the like button if you're not already done so. And tomorrow I'll be on stream about 7:30 AM UK time. Until then, my friends, cheers, trade safe. I'll catch you tomorrow.